Hi. DocuCompare is a powerful feature within Lexzur that enables users to compare two documents side by side. To use this feature, you need to purchase it first. Access Lexzur Marketplace, search for DocuCompare in the search bar. And click on Buy Now and choose the packages and number of transactions you need. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Once you have purchased DocuCompare, open the Attachment tab, navigate to any module or the iDocs main DMS in Lexzur. Select the two documents you wish to compare. Notice that the Compare button appears at the top of the screen. Click the Compare button to initiate the comparison. You can also compare versions of the same document. Select the document whose versions you want to compare. Click on the List Versions option. Choose the two versions you wish to compare from the version history, and click Compare. The two selected versions will open in comparison mode, with highlighted changes. When the comparison mode is activated, Lexzur will display the differences between the documents with highlighted changes. These changes are categorized into two main sections, content and style changes. Additionally, you can manage the comparison settings. From the comparison screen, you can manage the types of changes you want to compare, content or style. Click on Details in the Filter section and choose what type of changes you want to show or hide. The colors can also be managed. Access the settings to customize the colors used to highlight changes, making it easier to track specific types of changes. DocuCompare allows you to share the comparison results with others, either by a secret URL that can be shared with others, providing them access to the comparison results, or obtain an HTML embed code. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.